Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a conversation in Otter AI. If you need to remove an old conversation or clean up your Otter workspace, the process is very straightforward. In this walkthrough, we'll go from opening Otter all the way to confirming the deletion, so you know exactly what to expect at each stage. To begin, open your browser and go to the Otter AI homepage. Once the site loads, make sure you are signed in so you can access your recordings and conversations. This is where your Otter workspace is managed, including saved meetings, transcripts, and chats. From there, click on Home. The Home section is typically the main landing area where you can see your recent activity and available recordings. If you're not sure where to find the conversation you want to delete, this is usually the best place to start because it gives you a clear overview of your content. Next, click on the sample recording. In your own account, this may be a different recording or conversation name, but the idea is the same. Open the specific conversation you want to remove. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct item, since deleting a conversation is something you may not be able to easily undo. Once the conversation is open, look to the top right area of the screen for the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains additional options related to the conversation, including actions that are not shown directly on the main page. If you don't see it immediately, give the page a second to fully load and check the upper right corner carefully. When you find the three dots, click on them to open the menu. Then choose Delete. This tells Otter that you want to remove the selected conversation from your workspace. At this point, it's a good idea to pause briefly and confirm that this is definitely the conversation you no longer need. After selecting Delete, a confirmation prompt will appear. Click on the confirmation option to complete the deletion. This final step helps prevent accidental removal, which is especially useful if you manage a lot of recordings and conversations in your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a conversation in Otter AI. If you're organizing your account, it can help to review conversation titles carefully before deleting anything, just to avoid removing the wrong one. Thanks for following along, and we hope this guide made the process quick and easy to understand.